So guys, for the first step, you want to make sure that Epic Games Launcher is closed. Now to do that, in the bottom right of your taskbar, you want to click on the arrow. Now if you see Epic Games Launcher, you want to right click on it and then click on exit. Make sure that Epic Games Launcher is fully closed. For the second step, you want to go to search and type in %local app data %sign. Click on it. And now once we're on this, you want to click on Epic Games Launcher. Now you want to click on saved and then config, Windows, and now this will come up. And now once we're on this, you want to right click on Engine.ini and then click on open with and then click on notepad. You want to type in bracket launcher bracket, click on enter to go down, and then type in ForceNonSslCdn equals false. Make sure that you have the same spelling, capitals and lowercase as me. Now you want to click on file and then click on save. And you can now close this and you can now launch Epic Games Launcher and then the problem should be fixed.